Snap reported that it missed revenue expectations in the third quarter, sending shares tumbling about 25%. That tumble equals a loss of about $28 billion. And just to put that in perspective, that's the market cap of Best Buy or Southwest Airlines. So what's a Snap investor to do? That's the question. Richard Greenfield's here this morning, co-founder of Lightshed Partners. Rich, you've been a Snap fan for a very, very long time, but let's just talk about the valuation here and whether this is now a great value buying opportunity or whether you think there's larger challenges in store.
Look, we've had a sell on Snapchat. We've had a buy on Snapchat. We have not always liked this stock. When we had a sell on Snapchat, it was when there was engagement troubles and they couldn't get their Android app to work. And there were questions about users fleeing to other apps. This is not about that. This is Snapchat's engagement is at an all-time high. More users growing again all around the world, engagement strong. This has nothing to do with usage of Snapchat. In fact, no consumer even knows there's a problem. People are using Snapchat more than ever and engaging deeper. This is an advertising problem, and it's a short-term problem. My guess is Facebook put more resources towards this than Snapchat did. I think Snapchat was a little naive. I think they made a mistake. I think Evan and his team feel bad about the mistake they made. There's no doubt. This was a screw-up on Snap's part. Yes, it was caused by Apple, but this was Snapchat not designing their own solution, relying on Apple, and that was clearly a mistake. The good news, Andrew.
Well, yeah.
I was just saying the good news is it's fixable.
1 second.
Okay.
Well, but
sure.
Just go backwards to what you said. They're going to build their own systems to do this. The question is, can anybody build a system that's as good a mousetrap as used to be available when people actually said, yes, please track me?
Look, nothing is going to be, first of all, the system that you just basically described has basically been the system that's existed since the beginning of sort of the mobile internet. And so I don't know, I think to answer your question, will there ever be a system as good? The answer may be, I don't know. I mean, that's probably up for tech companies to figure out over the course of time. Are there going to be solutions that are, quote unquote, good enough? And I think that's the answer is there already are, and there will be even better solutions that accomplish this. To believe that all of a sudden advertisers are going to stop advertising on the mobile internet is obviously absurd. I think the reality is there are going to be solutions. I think you're seeing Snapchat even talked about the fact that there is a solution they've rolled out to half their advertising base. But look, they're probably 1 to 2 quarters behind where Facebook is. That's going to hurt the stock this morning. But remember, internet companies, every time we've looked at internet companies, whether we're talking Netflix or whether we're talking Snapchat or Facebook, it's about users and engagement. That is not the problem here. And I think so if investors are looking at this, sure, if you're playing between, look, if you're playing between now and year end, I don't know how much the stock is going to move. If you're looking between now and a year from now, this is an incredible buying opportunity in Snapchat. This is one of those few times where, you know, something's broke short term, it's fixable, and you're going to look at this stock, I think, breaking new highs a year from now, but it could take a couple of quarters. There's no doubt the next couple of quarters are going to be a problem.